Welcome back to the Grewsum Garage, everybody. It's been a long time, but we got some stuff in the works. So we've been really busy lately. Jeff and I, we've been doing a lot of side work and working on our house and stuff. So feel bad we haven't posted a lot of stuff lately, but
we've been doing a lot of boring stuff, so we didn't think it was worth posting.
We got a lot of good stuff that we plan on doing soon. So we just want to give you a big update here, let you guys know what's going on, and show you. We're going to start posting again, hopefully on the regular. Every Sunday is the plan.
Before we get to that burning question that everyone wants to know, we're going to give you a quick rundown of what's going on in the Grewsum Garage right now. Let's start out with these two hunks of junk right here. A couple of paperweights for now, but that one right there, this is the 4.8 that's going in my Jeep. If you watched the previous video, you see it in there. And we're going to get cracking on that hopefully this week, but we have a lot of cleaning up to do. We're rearranging the garage so we can really turn this into a work-only zone. We've been doing some rearranging and we've been really trying to clean this place out to make sure that we only have work stuff in here and there's no more storage of stupid crap like this Cummins right here. What are we gonna do with it?
Is it really stupid crap though? Like,
I don't know.
I don't think a Cummins is, but we put the blue truck outside, as you can see for now. That actually has a home. It'll be going in pretty soon.
And actually, surprisingly, it ran. I had my doubts about it. You know, it's been sitting for a few years, bad gas, but we pumped up, we cranked it over, got the fuel pressure going, and it cranked right to life.
You guys have to let us know what you want to see in that truck. It's 85, F250, lifted, you know, all the fun stuff, but we got a couple motors in mind. Obviously, this is choice number one, but it's got a 351 in it. I'm thinking about maybe, you know, freshening that up a little bit and using that. So let us know what you guys want to see. Any other motors, we'll find something. We'll figure it out eventually, but.
A couple other projects we're doing. We got the Plymouth over there, tied it over there under the cover. That right there, we have a whole new wiring system for it. It's got 6 volt right now. We want to convert it to 12 volt to make it a little more reliable. Also, all the wires in it are old cloth wires, the original wires, so half the insulation's falling off, and if we're going cruising, this or that, I don't want it to catch fire. Another thing we're doing to it is we have all new suspension for it. We're going to drop it 2 inches, plan on throwing a set of nice wheels and tires on it, and making that our booze cruiser.
So keep your eyes open if you guys want to see more progress on the Plymouth. Everybody keeps asking, so will the turbo Jeep ever get done? That's a tough one. Will it ever be finished? I don't know, but I'll be happy with it eventually. But I know it's been a couple months. You guys haven't seen any updates on this thing. Turns out we completely changed courses here, and we're gonna put the Cummins in it. Just kidding. So we did a lot of work in the front end in the past couple months. I've been working on this thing as I have time, a day or two here and there, you know. So I actually made aluminum inner fender wells, started playing with my TIG welder and just kind of figured it out. Not the prettiest, but hopefully it'll work just to keep the debris, I don't like going through mud, but the debris, water, whatever, from flying up in there. Keep my engine fairly clean, not that it matters, but we got that done. I hacked up some fenders, scabbed this bad boy on, a couple of trick tabs and threaded rivets. Works like a charm. Mounted up the header panel, and since making this inner fender well over here, I decided that I can't stand this cheap eBay intercooler piping. And since we were playing with aluminum, figuring out how to weld it, I decided we're just going to make our own nice intercooler piping that only has, you know, a silicone boot on each end, not 10 of them on each side, with 100 clamps. So clean that up, make it look a little better, and I can actually sneak the pipe in where I want over here instead of having pipes all over the place. So we're gonna be doing that pretty soon. I have a fender made for this side, just don't have it on right now, and we got a lot done inside. I made my driver dash, finished all the pipe work in here. Let me move this. It's a bit of a mess because Jeff and I have just been throwing stuff around. I mounted a heater box, like an auxiliary heater. So that's a JEGS, I forget the BTU or CFM, whatever it is, but it's like a race heater. Really simple, just mounts in there, you know, 2 heater lines for the heater, to the thermostat and water pump. So that's pretty much it on the progress. I'm sure there's little things I'm missing, but I will be making a video as I keep continuing to work on this, so stay tuned for that. Oh yeah, made some brake lines. But I will have a video of working on this thing, so don't worry. The Turbo Jeep will get done. It's my #1 priority. Stay tuned.